So hello friends, today I'm telling you how to log in Google Ad account. So firstly search in any browser Google Ads, then you see some links of Google Ads. It is original or it's also original. You can open one of them. So I open this. If you have not any account, then click on get start, and then you can create your account. I have account, so I back, and here is sign in option, so I click here and select Gmail. Okay, then your Google Ads account is open. You can now create campaign from here to create campaign. Yeah, so here you can create your campaign of any type of campaign you want. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel and like this video and share with your friends.